YouTube, what's going on? We have a very easy video today. We are taking this here 2x10 and turning this into a paper towel holder for a client. Let's see the end result now. So the dimensions for this bad boy, because we are expecting this to hold jumbo paper towel rolls, are just going to be a simple 7x7 square. This is about a 9-inch thick piece. So we're gonna cut our width and then we're gonna cut it to length, and that's what we'll do in these next steps. Let's get it. Alright, so now we have our 7x7 2x10 cut. We are gonna actually put a little bit of some fanciness with some round over on the edges here so we don't have anything too abrasive. And then we're gonna get to sanding and staining. So let's do it. Alright, so as you can see there, we have our piece of wood now drying. We used 60 grit first to sand everything down, open up the pores of the wood, and we laid the stain. So once this is done and dried, we are then going to come back, hit it with some 220, go over it with one more coat of stain. But that won't be for a little bit. So what we need to do now is go get our piping for this. We have our second coat of stain on there. The dark walnut's really coming through now. It's looking awesome. So the next thing we're going to do, we have our 1/2-inch piping right here. Again, this is just a 1/2-inch cap with a 1/2-inch thick, 12-inch long piece, and then our floor flange that's going to go into the base of our towel holder right there. So before I attach the base to the actual block itself, I'm going to put some clear coat on it just to make sure that we preserve this pipe for as long as possible. So I'll see you when I'm actually attaching the floor flange to the actual block itself. Alright, so as you saw, the first thing I did was measure out 3.5 inches down and 3.5 inches in to get the center of this block. I then attached the bottom floor flange with these 1.5-inch exterior deck screws. They're actually multi-purpose, and so they worked out great. And as you can see, we are nice and secured in there. I then took my assembled pipe with the cap and then just simply twisted it into the base there, and we are done. One side note that I do want to add, I don't think I mentioned it in any of the clips, but we did put urethane on this block as well to help preserve it, because obviously this will be in a kitchen setting, so water's gonna splash on it. That'll be inevitable, and we want this to last as long as possible, so urethane was on there. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I appreciate everybody watching the video. Hopefully you took something from this, and hopefully you enjoyed it. Give this project a try. Let me know how it went, and yeah, if you have any comments or questions, let me know down below. Please leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notifications. You know the entire spiel. Thank you again so much for watching. Have a great day or night. God bless. And don't forget to keep God number one.